You gonna dance to that?
I'm just gonna move on my bike.
You gonna move on your bike?
There's no room for anyone but anybody else.
That's right. It's a one-seater, huh?
I'm too small for this.
You're getting to be too small, right? We need to get you a bigger one.
Yeah, we need a bigger one just like Daddy's.
Yeah, Daddy's got a big bike, doesn't he?
Why?
Well, because he's bigger than you, right?
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 Blue Engine.
I'm not #1.
You're not. What number are you?
Wait.
You're 3? That's right, you are.
I did this part move.
Because that's how you steer the bike.
And why I think the handles, Mommy?
Because that's where you grab it.
And why are these the pedals, Mommy?
Because that's where you push your feet to make it move.
But my bike goes backwards.
It does go backwards, doesn't it?
And I use my and I push forward and then move on.
Okay.
And I don't want
Tell everybody bye. Bye.
So now you have